Hello everybody! Now I'm going to teach you guys how to solve quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. Alright, just like I taught you guys in class, the cheer for the quadratic formula is negative, negative, negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And that's what I wrote in the green bubble. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is identify your a, b, and c. And if you look at this equation, my a is 3, my b is 2, and my c is negative 33. Now I'm going to plug in those values into each letter in the formula. So the formula says negative b, but I'm going to say negative 2 plus or minus square root. It says b squared, but my b is 2. So I'm going to say 2 in parentheses squared minus 4 times my a is 3, and then times my c is negative 33. And then all of that will be over 2 times 3, since that's my a. After you have plugged in your values for a, b, and c, then you're going to type in your calculator everything that is under the square root. So as you can see, in my calculator, I typed in parentheses 2, close parentheses squared, minus 4 times 3 times negative 33. When I press enter, it equals 400. So that is the number I'm going to write under my square root. And so I'll bring everything else straight down. And you know, 2 times 3 is 6. So I'll go ahead and write that for the denominator. All right, so now I'm going to check to see if the square root of 400 is a perfect square. It is. And it equals 20. So technically what I'm looking at is negative 2 plus or minus 20 over 6. Now let me overemphasize something real quick. The square root of 400 equals 20. It does not equal the square root of 20. So make sure if the number under the square root is a perfect square, whatever it equals, you just write the answer of it. Do not write the square root on top. So that's why you see negative 2 plus or minus 20 over 6. Now I'm going to separate them into 2 different fractions. The first fraction is negative 2 plus 20 over 6. And the second fraction will be negative 2 minus 20 over 6. In that first fraction, negative 2 plus 20 equals 18, and 18 over 6 simplifies down to 3. So my first solution is x equals 3. In the second fraction, negative 2 minus 20 gives me negative 22 over 6, and that reduces down to negative 11 over 3. And that's it.